Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best digital torque wrenches you can buy. Whether you're tackling automotive projects or fine-tuning machinery, these tools deliver precision, reliability, and ease of use. Stay tuned as we review the top models, highlight their key features, and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. GearWrench Half-Inch Drive Electronic Torque Wrench. For those willing to invest a bit more in a premium tool, the GearWrench 85077 and a half-inch drive electronic torque wrench is an excellent choice. Measuring 24,75 inches in length, it offers ample leverage to apply torque ranging from 25 to 250 foot-pounds, covering most mechanical tasks with ease. This model offers 3 distinct alert functions to notify the user as they approach the preset torque setting. It beeps, illuminates, and vibrates. The vibration is distinct and easy to feel, even through the rubber overmolded grip. Additionally, the 85077 offers multiple modes, including setting, peak, and tracking, and supports various units of measurement for versatility. We found this torque wrench to be a top-tier tool that justifies its higher price point. The buttons have a satisfying click when pressed, even with gloves on. However, adjusting the settings can be tricky. Users must hold down the adjustment buttons to change values, but the increasing speed as the button is held makes it difficult to stop precisely on the desired number. Despite this, the GearWrench 85077 stands out as a quality upgrade for those who prioritize precision and functionality. Number 2. eTorque EC3250 Half-Inch Drive Digital Torque Wrench. The eTorque EC3250 digital torque wrench stands out for its unique ball bearing release mechanism, which enhances sensitivity, consistency, and precision. A locking knob ensures the selected torque setting stays secure, preventing accidental adjustments. Its digital display allows users to seamlessly switch between 4 units of torque measurement: foot-pounds, inch-pounds, newton-meters, and kilogram-centimeters, with a torque range of 25 to 250 foot-pounds. The EC3250 boasts an accuracy of plus or minus 3% clockwise and plus or minus 6% counterclockwise. Unlike some digital torque wrenches, it doesn't provide visual alerts as you approach the desired setting. Instead, it produces an audible click similar to traditional click-style wrenches, helping to avoid over-tightening. In our testing, the EC3250 impressed as a blend of digital precision and analog usability. The handle features a convenient adjustment dial that's easy to use. Even when wearing gloves, the digital readout is straightforward, while the mechanical release delivers a satisfying click when the set torque is reached, combining modern technology with classic functionality. Number 3. Nico 20743A Digital Torque Adapter. The Nico Digital Torque Adapter is a standout tool from a well-known brand recognized for its high-quality digital adapters. This adapter excels in versatility and functionality, effortlessly converting any ratchet wrench into a precision torque wrench. It features a 3/4 inch drive on one side and a socket drive on the other, allowing for smooth integration with various tools. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, it operates within an impressive torque range of 150 to 750 foot-pounds and supports both clockwise and counterclockwise operation, making it incredibly versatile. The adapter is equipped with a large LCD screen on the front that clearly displays torque readings. Additionally, it offers 2 operational modes, one for setting a desired torque and another for real-time monitoring of the applied torque. For added convenience, the Nico adapter includes a ft-lbs indicator system and a built-in speaker that provide clear notifications during use. With its seamless calibration and user-friendly design, this adapter is perfect for heavy-duty applications while maintaining precision and ease of use. Pros: noise alert feature works well. Build quality is quite impressive. Comes with a carry case. Comes with a 1-year-long warranty. Cons: batteries not included in the box. Number 4. AC Delco ARM600-14 Digital Torque Wrench. The AC Delco ARM600-14 Digital Torque Wrench may not have made it into our top 3, but it remains a solid choice for those seeking a reliable digital torque wrench. Its torque range of 4 to 99 foot-pounds provides plenty of versatility for a variety of tasks, while the peak and trace modes add to its functionality. The wrench features an ergonomic, soft grip handle and a slim design, making it comfortable to use and ideal for tight spaces. The brightly lit digital scale displays multiple settings, including measurement, peak, and trace modes, ensuring ease of use. Additionally, the tool offers LED and buzzer alerts for added convenience. AC Delco guarantees accuracy within plus or minus 2% in the clockwise direction and plus or minus 3% counterclockwise, ensuring precise performance. However, a couple of drawbacks held it back from a higher ranking: the controls are unintuitive, and the included manual does little to clarify their operation, resulting in a less user-friendly experience. Despite these issues, the ARM600-14 is a dependable option, and it comes with useful extras such as a storage case and 2 AAA batteries for immediate use. Number 5. AC Delco ARM600 4.5-inch Digital Torque Adapter. The AC Delco Digital Torque Wrench Adapter is a remarkably versatile tool that can transform any standard ratchet wrench into a precision digital torque wrench. Its compact design attaches seamlessly to the square drive of a ratchet wrench, providing a backlit LCD screen to display applied torque in real time. This adapter boasts a torque range of 25 to 250 foot-pounds, making it suitable for a wide array of tasks. It features multi-directional functionality with impressive accuracy, plus or minus 1, 5% clockwise and plus or minus 2, 5% counterclockwise. Audible alerts and flashing LED lights ensure users are notified before over-tightening, even in noisy environments. During testing, the bright indicator lights proved particularly useful, remaining visible even when the unit rotated during use or while wearing Bluetooth ear protection playing music. The adapter comes with a sturdy plastic case for convenient storage. While the initial setup process wasn't entirely intuitive, once mastered, the tool demonstrated exceptional convenience and functionality. Though initially overlooked, this dark horse in the digital torque wrench category delivered impressive performance and is an excellent addition to any workshop or garage.